How to fix camera crashing in Realme C73. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on app and then click on app management. Now scroll down and click on camera. After clicking on camera, then here you can first stop your camera by clicking on first stop. After first stop your camera, then here you can see the option storage usage. Now click on it and here you can clear the cache memory of camera. After clear the cache memory, then go back and click on system and update. Now click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone. Now here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it. Now enter your password to reset all your settings. After reset all the settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After restart your device, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.